Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're sharing 10 easy ways to make your home look expensive without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to elevate your living space or add a touch of luxury, these tips are perfect for transforming your home into a stylish, high-end retreat. From clever design hacks to affordable upgrades, we've got everything you need to achieve that sophisticated, designer look. So, let's get started on creating a space that feels chic, luxurious, and truly one of a kind. Let's get started. One, high-quality materials. Marble, granite, or quartzite will naturally look more luxurious than man-made quartz or porcelain countertops. Living metal finishes like brass or copper also have a quiet luxury. 2. Custom drapery. Custom drapery is a luxe touch in a home. Full drapes frame a window so elegantly and truly take your space to another level. 3. Attractive landscaping. Plan out your landscaping, including hardscapes like pathways and patios, goes a long way toward making your home look more expensive before you even step in the front door. 4. Use mirrors. We believe that when it comes to making a space look more expensive, you can never go overboard or wrong with any reflective surfaces. Mirrors add twinkly glamour, light, and the illusion of space. 5. Wood floors. While linoleum or imitation wood floors are certainly easier on the wallet, if investing in your home is top of mind, consider turning to high-quality wood floors instead, which will stand the test of time. Meacham says that wood floors, whether they're dark or light, skinny or wide, will elevate the look of your home instantly. 6. Incorporate stone accessories. High-end earthy stone accents are the epitome of luxury, but not everyone can afford to incorporate the latest stone accents into their kitchens and baths. By incorporating furniture and accessories with stone, or made of stone, you can bring in that luxe feel throughout the house without breaking the bank. 7. Keeping wires out of the room. We live in a technological world, and it is likely that there will be wires in every room of your home, from the TV in the living room, appliances in the kitchen to chargers in the bedroom. However, even the most elegant room will be brought down by a tangle of stray cables. In order to achieve an expensive-looking home. 8. Choose furniture that fits the space. No matter your furniture budget, it's crucial to pick high-quality pieces that are the right size for your space. Avoid pieces that are either too big or too small, and that may fall apart in a year. 9. Layer your rugs. You can rely on rugs to make the inside of your home look more expensive. Rugs cover up the existing flooring while also adding some depth and cohesion. Adding an area rug will make the room feel collected and finished rather than having furniture everywhere with no clear anchor. 10. Swap outdated lighting. If your home has outdated light fixtures, swap in updated lights to instantly make the inside of your home look more expensive. Lighting is the jewelry of the home and can add much-needed drama and height to a room. And that wraps up our list of 10 easy ways to make your home look expensive. We hope these tips inspire you to add some luxurious touches to your space without spending a fortune. Remember, small changes like thoughtful decor, lighting upgrades, or even a fresh coat of paint can make a big difference in creating that high-end feel. If you found these ideas helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.